co-host Raina.
Hey Easter, do you remember that we were a host or a co-host once?
Yeah, but we have a busy episode, so let's send it to Rihanna for the flag.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States to America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. Now back to Raina and Gion.
Thank you for the flag.
For the month of December, our PPI's focus is being responsible.
To be responsible is to be on school on time and doing your homework.
Speaking of December, if your birthday is in the month of December, please stand up. Happy birthday to you!
The ETV crew went around and interviewed you guys about winter break. Let's see what you guys said.
What are you most excited for Christmas break?
I'm most excited about sleeping in.
You're most excited for winter break?
No homework and to sleep in. What are you most excited for winter break?
To be with my family because I love them.
What are you most excited for on winter break?
No homework and spending the time with my loved ones and family and friends.
What are you most excited about Christmas?
I'm excited that I am going to spend time with my family in Korea.
What do you want for Christmas?
My Lego monkey kit set.
Thank you. What do you want for Christmas?
A football helmet.
You know, what do you want for Christmas?
A dragon.
What's one thing you want for Christmas?
A stocking.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want my Barbie doll.
I hope your winter break's amazing.
Now on to our student announcement.
Hi Isa, my name's Anna, and I'm here to tell you there's only one more day until winter break. See you in 2023. Now on to Mr. Ramsey with the Reflection Awards.
I'm pleased to announce that we have some winners for the Reflection Awards submissions, and starting with our primary grades. For third place for participation in primary visual arts category, give it up for Isaac Kim. Stand over there. Second place, primary visual arts, Aiden Kim. There you go. Good job. And first place, visual arts for the primary, Abby Ginsberg. Stay right here. Look at the camera so your parents see you. And take your trophy. Stand over here. First place, primary dance. Let's give it up for Teresa Gonzalez. First place, primary photographer, or primary photography, Jin Her. Camera smile. I'm pleased to announce we have our 3rd through 5th intermediate award winners, and for the category of photography participation, let's give it up for Maria Clara Mancho. Smile at the camera. Over there. Second place, give it up for intermediate photography, Maya Crawford. For your parents, they can't see. And first place, intermediate photography, Elsie Gang. Congratulations. For intermediate visual arts category, for participation, Jaden Kim. Second place, visual arts intermediate, Alice Vin Lee. Get this together. Okay. Turn around, smile. All right. And first place, intermediate visual arts, Ian Moon. All right. For the category of intermediate music composition, second place, Schroeder Gone. All right. Stand over there. First place, intermediate music composition, Hannah Chu. For the category of intermediate film production, second place, Nicholas Lee. place, intermediate film production, Ryder Ong. Congratulations. The camera smile. Okay. For intermediate literature, second place, Maria Clara Mancho. In first place, intermediate literature, Timothy Glenn Gonzalez. Congratulations. All right. Let's give it up for all our Reflections Award winners from primary to intermediate. We thank you all for your submissions. Good luck at the district level.
Thank you for that student announcement.
Always remember our 3 B's. Be safe, be respectful. Guys, we have some breaking news.
Hi, Eastwood. We're having breaking news. We're having another Mr. Ramsey challenge. We haven't had a Mr. Ramsey challenge in over a year. I'm so excited. Now to the office. And now we're in the office. Let's tell Mr. Ramsey it's challenge time.
Yes.
It's challenge time.
What? What in the world? What, for what?
Mr. Ramsey challenge.
No.
So the Mr. Ramsey challenge,
Yes.
Sophia, nice. You haven't seen me in a while.
No.
I've been behind the scenes, but of course I would be here for this. So when you think of Christmas, Mr. Ramsey, what do you think of?
Gifts, time with family, good food, time off of work, not challenges.
All right, sorry about that. But so you did say gifts.
Yes.
Right, so we have 2 special gifts for you. And when you think of Christmas too, I'm sure you think of red and you think of green.
Yeah.
So if you had to choose either one of these, which one would
Sophia,
they be?
did you make this?
Well, I was part of it, but I don't know
Yeah.
what's in the box.
Don't know what's in the box?
No.
Eeny, meeny, miny. I'll go green.
Green. All right.
Like the
So
Grinch.
do you want me to describe the challenge before we get into it?
Yes, please.
So in the green box are green things and drinks that you can eat.
Oh my gosh.
So
Yeah.
there's green food and
Thank
green
you, Sophia.
drinks in there that you will have to
You're welcome.
have.
Okay.
All right, I hope you had lunch already. Or maybe not yet. Woo! Like that, don't hit the box.
Oh, I gotta eat a Scholastic book.
It's not green.
Oh my gosh. Mountain Dew.
that's okay.
Diet. I don't do diet.
Oh, sorry.
Relish. Nacho pickled jalapeno peppers. Cut green beans. They're not even cooked. And mint sauce. Ooh.
Is this something yummy?
Yeah.
In a green cup. Donated by Miss Tara. Thank you for your support. Okay. Miss Ramsey, are you ready?
No.
That's
No.
okay, we're ready.
Yeah, I'm glad you're laughing.
So we're going to do a spoonful of everything. Are the cameras running, girls?
Yes.
Alex?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get a handful. Or a spoonful of these
Merry
guys.
Christmas.
This is not married.
Mash it up.
Cut green beans.
This is actually very jolly.
I don't do diet.
And I'll do a scoop of
That'll make it
relish.
sweet. Yeah, is right. Where's my trash can? Bring my trash can.
Oh, this look at the texture of that guy.
Oh, I thought it was like a gel. Here you go.
Because I might need that.
You know what? You know the rule with
Yeah,
gag.
I know.
So good. Yummy. Looks like
People are trying to tell me. Looks like my mom's,
Your
Don't say
mom's
anything about
what?
your mom's cooking.
I'm not gonna
Oh, there goes mine.
my mom's cooking is actually good.
My mom's cooking is good, but
If your mom's cooking is like this,
yeah, put the juice in.
don't invite me to
That's
dinner.
not green though. It wouldn't be following the rules.
I mean, it looks like my mom's.
So we got this.
Yummy.
Smell.
Well, it doesn't smell
Put a
good.
lot of that.
He's just like, get it over with. Alright, fix it.
Oh,
That looks like like
A
something.
blender would have been better. But
I
That
tried.
looks like something I would have like thrown
That
in
does
the
not look good. I'm sorry, Mr. Ramsey.
It smells disgusting. I
Oh,
can smell
it's
it through my
like
mouth.
Isn't that mouthy?
At least it's a Call of Duty match. Why is it that color?
all right.
All right, guys. So
Chug it.
I say at least 3 drinks.
No, fine.
Yes. Wait, the whole cup? Don't waste
No,
any
just
drink.
3. Just 3. We don't want to make them sick.
Chug it.
All right, here we go.
Sorry, mister.
Count. Give me a countdown. 5.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Ah,
That's one! Not the rest of the Mountain Dew. Get the Mountain Dew, get the Mountain Dew.
that was relish.
I should drink 2. Oh! The table.
That was pepper.
3!
Who's at 4?
Lucas!
All right.
I'm gonna get all of y'all.
All right.
Never again.
That's the challenge.
Never again.
Thank you. No, I won't throw it away just yet. I gotta make it put it far away.
Can I have Mountain Dew?
All right, Mr. Ramsey, is there anything you want to say before it's the end of the year, our last episode of the year?
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah and Kwanzaa, and Merry Holidays. Don't make me ever do this again, please. This is about to make me sick. But I love you guys, Eastwood. I'll see you in the new year. Oh, please don't.